3 years ago, we moved our family to the islands of Fiji. With 2 young kids, we wanted to simplify our lives, watch our children grow up in a culture far different from our own, and work on projects inspired by the people and way of life in this amazing part of the world. I've been designing products for close to 20 years, and for me, simplicity is the key to great design. When designing the Emerick Lounger, I wanted to create a truly indoor-outdoor experience by combining the comfort and sophistication of an indoor chair with materials that are ideal for the outdoors. I've designed this chair with the entire experience in mind: how you buy it, how you assemble it, and the many ways you live with it. There is no need to leave home. Purchasing the Emerick Lounger is as simple as a click of a mouse or a tap on the screen. With no hardware or tools needed, the assembly is both easy and intuitive. In just a few minutes, your lounger is ready to enjoy. The Emerick Lounger is about comfort. We created comfort through a combination of design, construction, and materials. It starts with a high back panel and a deep seating area. A padded seat, lumbar pillow, mesh side panels, and an adjustable headrest provide additional comfort and support. We use a high-density charcoal heather fabric that is both incredibly durable, versatile, and soft to the touch. Finally, the foundation and frame provide the required strength and stability for a lifetime of enjoyment. Best of all, the Emerick Lounger breaks down quickly and without fear of losing any small parts, so you can bring it along wherever life takes you. We are really excited to launch the Emerick Lounger, and with your support, we can purchase the molds and materials needed to bring this product to life and to your home.